Hi, this is Abdul Kalam. Today we are going to learn syllogisms or deductions part 2. Before we move into this video, those who didn't watch the previous video, kindly watch part 1 because this is the continuation. All apples are mangoes, all mangoes are oranges. These two statements are given. How to make a conclusion? Okay. All apples are mangoes. Just see the first statement. Using the first statement, what we can write is some apples are mangoes. That means we can replace this all with some, because some is a subset of all. So some apples are mangoes. Since some is reversible, as I said in the previous video, so some mangoes are apple. That is also true. Using the second statement, what is the second statement given? All mangoes are oranges. So what we can say, instead of all, we can replace with some. Some mangoes are oranges. And one more conclusion is some oranges are mangoes. So now we have seen these two statements. Now what is the next one we have to do is we have to combine both. What is combining both? Combining both, what you will get? All apples are mangoes and all mangoes are oranges. The mango is the middle term. Middle term will disappear in the conclusion. So the conclusion will be all apples are oranges. But since all apples are oranges is not the final conclusion. Why? Because again with this we can form two more conclusions. Yes, this all can be replaced with some. Yes, now some apples are oranges and some oranges are apples. So out of these 6 conclusions, you can find either 1, 2 or even more than 2 conclusions in any of the competitive exams. All pens are pots, all pots are jacks. All pens are pots. Using the first statement, what we can do is some pens are pots, because all can be replaced with some. So some pens are pots. And since it is reversible, what we can do is subject will go to predicate, predicate will go to subject. That means subject and predicate are interchangeable. So some pots are pens. From the second one, what we can say is all pots are jacks. So from this we can say is some pots are jacks. So some pots are jacks and some jacks are pots. And combining both, what the conclusion we will get is all pens are jacks, because pots is the middle term will disappear. And from this all pens are jacks, you can make 2 more conclusions. So some pens are jacks and some jacks are pens. In the previous question also I said 6 conclusions, but actually 7. Yes, I didn't count that all one. Okay, the previous question. Yes, I didn't count this all apples are oranges. So total 7 conclusions are available for this. And here also the same case, 7 conclusions are there. Okay. Next question. All kings are queens and all people are queen. So all kings are queens. Conclusion 1. Using the first statement, what we can say is this all can be replaced with some. So what you can do is some kings are queens. Now some kings are queens is done, and king will go to queen place, queen can go to king place, because sum is reversible. So some queens are kings. As I said, A intersection B and B intersection A, Venn diagram both are same. So sum is reversible. Using the second statement, all people are queens, all can be replaced with some. So some people are queens and some queens are peoples. Okay, these 2 conclusions are possible. Further, once you are going to combine both, all kings are queens and all people are queens, since ending terms are queens, both of them are positive. All is a positive. All and some, they are positive. If both the statements are positive, if ending terms are same, no conclusion. This is the shortcut, remember. So no conclusion. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to subscribe this channel.